So what's really the difference between AI and a customer 360 type dashboard if you are going to generate from it? That's a question a bunch of folks asked me in one of the calls I was doing. This is a pretty large organization and they already have a lot of investment in the BI space. They have some customer 360 dashboard. They're aggregating up a lot of information. And their challenge is when they look at AI and regenerate like a lot of customer 360, account 360, contact, student 360, things like that. And they were like, how's it different? We already have one. And the fundamental idea is that generative AI is trying to make sense of your unstructured data. So essentially the light bulb went on in my head as I was having this dialogue, because so many people are obsessed with numbers. They miss out on why generative AI can be disruptive. And I was trying to explain them that if you are in a business where, let's say you have dealers and channel partners, right? You sell automobiles, you sell switch gears, you sell industrial equipments, construction equipments, things like these, and you have a dealer network. And your dealer has sales reps, right? So let's say your dealer has 20 sales rep and each of them is meeting 5 customers a day. That's 100 meeting notes a day. Who's going to read them? The dealer isn't. If your organization is trying to help the dealer, your salespeople are not read 100 notes a day from a dealer. And that is the power of generative AI, is to actually look at all of this, summarize it, identify what's going well, what's not going well, look at a sentiment. You can even incorporate sales coach type functionality in it. And you can basically add a lot of method to the madness. This is the fundamental benefit that you get from AI, which no BI in the world can give you today. The whole premise of BI is numbers, is aggregations, is spotting trends in structured data of some sort. It may be picklist values, it may be other kind of reference data, product names, location names, areas, territories, regions, warehouses, right? But it can't do anything with a site visit report that is sent to you over emails that are logged or that is being put in a long text field. And that's where your AI comes in. So what can you do with this? As you're looking inside your organization, think about how can you enable and empower people who are dealing with unstructured data, whether it's your support reps, whether it's your salespeople at a dealer or at a channel, whether it's your medical staff that is writing notes of some sort, all of those things. And the value that is sitting locked in your data today, you can unlock with AI. And when you look at doing this with Salesforce, what makes it so powerful is that you don't have to bring in some vendor that has a built-in AI. You can pick an AI of your choice. You can have Azure, AWS, Google, your own internally hosted, apply all kind of security controls to lock it down. And you can leverage something like that with GPTfy, which is our App Exchange product. Even if you don't use our product, know that this is the capability you have access to, and you can actually enable something like this in a matter of weeks. It sounds a heck of a lot more complicated if you're out there trying to build it yourself, but I invite you to try what we are building, and our entire focus is to see how we can have our customers enable their end users, enable their channel partner by looking at all this mountains of data that is getting generated, summarizing it, finding value out of it. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much.